begin with Madeira Member of Parliament Rigathi Gachagua, who will remain in police custody until Monday, when he will be arraigned. Gachagua, who was Friday morning arrested at his Nyeri home and ferried to the DCI headquarters in Nairobi, faces counts of money laundering and abuse of office. His arrest causing a stir where Deputy President William Ruto allied leaders saying it is political and aimed at settling scores after Jubilee lost the Kiambaa parliamentary seat. Hassan Mugambi with the details of the arrest.
At breakneck speed, the vehicles transporting Madeira MP Rigathi Gachagua arrived at Mazingira complex in what marked the beginning of a 7-hour interrogation session that saw leaders allied to Deputy President William Ruto express displeasure.
It was picked up at 5 in the morning and we have been seated here until now. I think, it's now 3:30. We were here since morning. There were no charges with him at all. And remember, the law is very clear. The time that someone is arrested, they are informed of the reasons for their arrest at the arresting point.
Mr. Gachagua, he called me, he gave me instructions to be his lawyer. I came here, I was blocked by the police to access him. I was not given the opportunity to represent him or even to be present when he was being told to record a statement. That is illegal. Is against the Constitution.
The Madeira legislator was arrested following an ongoing probe into over 12 billion shilling that went through his account since 2013 in what detectives flagged as attempts to launder money accrued from fraudulent dealings. He is likely to face money laundering charges and abuse of office charges based on allegations of fraudulently obtaining tenders through proxies dating back to 2013. Leaders who termed up the DCI terming the move political and lacking legal basis.
That these are the last kicks of a dying horse. And whether you like it or not, you will not intimidate Kenyans into submission or direct political activity and political support to yourselves using state agencies like DCI, KRA, EACC, and all other agencies.
Our success in Kiambaa has brought all these problems to our brother Gachagua and the rest of us.
In Nyeri, a section of residents of Madeira constituency took to the streets to protest the arrest of their member of parliament. Police had a hard time containing the angry group.
Ameshikwa na tunamhitaji aachiliwe akuja tufanyie kazi hapa Madeira. Juu ni kura zetu zinachezewa, tulimchagua na tunampenda.
Tumejichagulia sisi wenyewe. Saa hii tunamhitaji, hatutaki akae ndani juu atutolee kazi yetu, hatujamaliza bado.
In a sharp contrast of events, another group of residents in Madeira took to the streets in support of the government agencies. With placards held high, they claimed Gachagua brought woes upon himself.
Him personally, he said with his own mouth that all corruption, anybody mentioned in corruption, all has been associated with corruption cases, should be arrested and arraigned in court. So I don't know why all this hula is about.
Ashukue msalaba yake na abebe. Sisi hatutaki kusikia hata nasema ati watu wa Madeira ndio wanamesema.
Gachagua was Friday evening taken to Nyeri police station where he will remain until Monday, when he is expected to face counts of abuse of office and money laundering. Hassan Mugambi, Citizen TV.